Well, we have another AI-powered website builder that will help you generate a website with just prompting. I think that's not exactly a unique feature, but what makes this tool different is that it will provide you almost everything that you will need to have a website that can make you money, in a way that you can create a software as a service website where you can make money by offering services. And this tool, this platform will take care of almost everything. It will take care of the coding, the hosting, and also the database, the SEO, custom domain, etc. So it's almost everything is available right here on this platform. So for this video, I will actually compare the website that is generated by EasySite versus Hero UI. So these tools are basically the same in a way that they are helping anyone to build a website with just a simple prompting, except Hero UI focuses more on the good user interface and user experience. Usually the website that is generated by Hero UI is going to be way prettier than anything that you probably have seen before. So I'm going to compare that with EasySite and we'll see which one actually able to shape the most complete website. And for the prompt, I actually have prepared this simple prompt. I basically want to generate an OCR tool where the user can upload an image and then extract the text from the image. And I want to use Mistral AI, and this is the API key, which is not a good practice, but again, this is just a test and I just want to ship the website very quickly. That's why I put this message to the AI that don't worry, I'm not going to ship this to the public, this is just for testing. But in general, never hard code the API key into the code. That's the no-no basically when building anything with AI. Now I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste the message to both EasySite and Hero UI. Okay, let me log into my account first and let me just paste. And by the way, you can click on this button and it will give you access to provide some assets like images and videos that might be useful or being incorporated into the website, and also custom domains, and the rest is accessible once the website has been created. Okay, I'm going to send the message and I will do the same to Hero UI. And now I just need to wait. So the process, I actually have done one testing before, you can see right here, and the generation using EasySite is very slow. And I think it is very slow because it tried to create multiple files and each file will have very long code. So when it's done, it's actually almost complete to the point that you can almost just ship or deploy the tool to the internet and maybe start making money. And Hero UI on the other hand is a bit faster because it doesn't have to provide everything. You just need to create a good looking design and some basic functionalities about the tool. So there you go, it's done and it is still loading the tool. And yeah, it actually accepts the API key. So usually AI is not going to put the API key, but since I have provided an exception that this is just a test, AI will usually just follow my command. Now I'm still waiting for the EasySite, so I will try to upload a file, an image to this tool that was generated by Hero UI and see if it actually worked. And the image is going to be this is actually my the thumbnail that I used on my previous video. There are many texts that could be extracted and I want to see if AI in this tool is actually working. So let me just drag and drop the file right here and click extract text. Okay, I'm still waiting, and there you go. Now there's this error message. I have no idea what is the problem. So maybe it was the API, maybe it was the AI that is being used. I have no idea. So I guess I'm going to close this and let's go back to EasySite. And I will do the same. I will upload the document. And well, it is being processed almost immediately. Error, failed to extract text from image. So this is actually very common. Usually your first generation is not going to be 100% perfect. There's going to be some back and forth to fix the problems and to make sure that the tool or the application is as polished as possible. This is very common. Now, speaking about going back and forth, if you are using a free account, I think it's really for testing. If you are serious to create a website using this tool, then you have to be on the pro subscription. You have to pay for $20 a month to be able to have 120 messages per month, which is, in my opinion, it is very expensive, because for $20 we would usually get more than 120 messages when it comes to coding and AI. But perhaps it's a bit more expensive because it will take care of almost everything about the website. It is not only doing the coding, it will do almost everything. So I think for some people, $20 a month for only 120 messages is worth it. And Hero UI is also the same. It's actually offering a premium version. I forgot what it was, but basically it's also around $20 a month. But I would say the design is way better. But perhaps just like anything when building with AI, you still have to go back and forth, try to work the problem with AI, and hopefully at the end you can ship a real product. So yeah, that's basically it. That's how you can create a website using this tool called Easy Site. And of course, this is just a quick introduction. And by the way, I forgot to mention that once the website has been created, you can actually start setting up other things like the database, the custom domains, chatbot, webhook, SEO, mailing, database, Stripe, etc. So there are many things that you can set up when the website has been created. So go ahead and give it a try. And if you feel like you want to create something with this tool, then maybe I do recommend to just subscribe to the Pro subscription to be able to have access to more features and shipping the product or application. So that's basically it. If you find this video to be useful, or maybe you want to see more videos like this one, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.